وجوه يومئذ ناظرة إلى ربها ناظرة.
On that day, some faces will be refreshed, will be looking at their Lord. Message from this ayat. Most wonderful and greatest blessing of heaven will not be the Hoor, even though it will be one of the best blessings of heaven. Not even the rivers of heaven, even though these rivers will surprise the intellect. The greatest and most wonderful blessing of heaven will be seeing the Almighty Allah. When the people of paradise enter paradise, Allah will say, "Is there anything else you want me to add?" The people of heaven will say, "Did you not give us heaven? Did you not enlighten our faces and save us from hell?" Therefore, Almighty Allah will remove the veil between Him and the people of heaven. And then the blessing of seeing Almighty Allah will become a more beloved thing to the people of paradise than all the other blessings of paradise.